Hello and welcome to Abap Coding for beginners with tricks and examples. And this is Abap Dictionary. In this lecture, we will cover Abap Dictionary in more detail. You will learn about creating a domain, data element, structure, database table, and the maintenance screen for that table. Now assume that you are assigned to a job that you need to create a custom table that users will define data in. Let's say it will be an FI document table. Users want to enter some detailed information about that FI document. Now, let's go to SE11. For the purpose of this lecture, I will start with a structure. You don't need to create a structure for your database table, but I'll create a structure and put that structure in our database table. So I'll first create the structure. I'll create with Z and FI because it will be about finance. S for structure. And let's say it will be about payments. Say FIS payment. I can create this with pressing this create button here. It will ask me to create a data element, a structure, or a table type. I click structure and press OK. Now it wants me to enter this description and components. I'll just want to show you something else. So I'll go back without saving it. I'll write this name to here, database table, create. Now it's asking me some different things. We can write description, the delivery class, which is an application table, but we will convert this to a structure. Let's go to fields and let's go to extras, change table category, select structure. Now you learned about how to create a structure in two ways.